Let me show you an easy way to recover a permanently deleted photo on your iPhone. In many instances on your iPhone and Google, you have between 30 and 40 days to recover those photos and videos. So if you did lose them, make sure you do it quickly. Now, the first place that you can look is the Photos app on your iPhone. Once you're in the Photos app, tap on Library at the bottom left. And let's say you deleted a photo. Let's say I delete this photo. The first place that I would recommend checking is your recently deleted folder. To get there, all you need to do is tap on Collections at the very bottom, and then you're just going to scroll down until you find Recently Deleted. Tap on that. You should be able to see any of your recently deleted photos within the last 30 days. To recover it, all you need to do is hit Select, tap on that photo, and then you can tap on those three dots and hit Recover and recover photo. So I've recovered that back to the Photos app. However, let's say it doesn't show up on there. You do have other options. Let's head into the Settings app of your phone. Once you're in the Settings app, you'll be able to see at the very top of your name, just tap on your name and then tap on iCloud towards the bottom here. Once you've tapped on that, you'll be able to see everything that's currently backed up to your iCloud, and you'll be able to see your photos here. So tap on Photos, and you can see Sync This iPhone. Now, keep in mind, if this is turned off, you might want to turn it on. Essentially, this allows you to sync everything that is on your iCloud onto your phone. So it might download some of those photos or videos that were deleted. So if that is turned off, just turn it on. However, let's say you don't want to go through all of that. You just want to recover them individually. You can do that as well by just going into a web browser, and you're going to go to iCloud.com. So again, just type in iCloud.com and sign into your Apple ID account. After you've done that, you'll be able to see photos here. Just tap on your photos, and you'll be able to see all of those photos. If you find that photo is on your iCloud, but not on your phone, you can always just tap on it. And then from here, you can download it by tapping those three dots and then just tap download and then download. And that will download it to the Files app and the photos, if you want it to, onto your iPhone. The last thing that you can do if you don't see it anywhere in these steps is to head into the Settings app again. And we're going to go back one. We're still in the iCloud here. And from here, we're going to go to iCloud Backup and tap on that. Now on here, you'll be able to see the most recent backup was yesterday at 10:31 p.m. here. Keep in mind that backup included all of the photos when that backed up. So essentially, if you deleted the photos after that backup, you can always restore to that backup. And the way you can do that is fairly easy. All you need to do is get out of here, tap on General, scroll down to the bottom, hit Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap Erase All Content and Settings. From here, it will erase everything, but then it will just prompt you to back up again. If you do, basically it will erase everything, so make sure you say don't back up again. But then after it's erased, you can restore to that most recent backup that had all of those photos that were deleted.